So check this strategy I used to make money online. If you take a look at this particular account right here, they basically go on to creating Reddit stories right now, and if you check closely you can see that most of their stories are getting a lot of views and engagement. This one right here is actually getting about 454.1 thousand views, this one 380,000 views, and if you keep on scrolling through you can see that most of their videos are getting a lot of cool engagements, and they are just simply Reddit stories being told, and a background video is actually playing at the background right there. So I'm just going to show you how you could easily go on to creating such kinds of Reddit stories, and you can actually utilize that to go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers and make a lot of money online with CPA marketing. So stick on with me as we dive right into the strategy. But before we go on further into the strategy, if you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I could make cool videos on ways to make money online. If you like such kind of content, you can scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out. You could also hit the like button to the video you're watching, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all to always get alerted whenever I release some cool videos to help boost your income online. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So basically guys, what we actually need to do first of all is to get to create our Reddit story. Now to create our Reddit story guys, we can actually head on to platform like Reddit right now. If you go onto the reddit.com, you want to come onto the platform right here, and you want to just simply go onto a subreddit by clicking on this section that says search. You can see this confession subreddit. You can actually go on to typing in that and actually go onto this particular subreddit. Now if you get to that subreddit, you'll be brought to a page such as this where you can actually go on to seeing a lot of stories about a lot of different people on this particular platform. Now you can easily go on to checking out the stories right there. As you can see, this story says always been lying to parents to hang out with friends. Now you can actually go on to taking note of that particular story, and you want to just simply utilize a story that is not actually vulgar, that is not actually having vulgar words, that is not actually erotic. Make sure you use some cool stories right there, and you can take a look at this story right now. You can read through that. Once you've read through that, you want to copy the link to this story. Now once you copy the link right now, the next thing which you want to get done is to actually head on to this particular platform called the vsub.io. Now this is a platform that will help us generate our Reddit stories in a matter of minutes. Now you can see that with the platform right here, it has about 98.5% accuracy. It's good for video captions in minutes and not hours, and you can generate animated subtitles with emojis like your favorite creators right now. So it is quite easy right now. You can actually go into checking out the pricing structure, but it's also cool and quite cool and amazing. Once you sign up to an account, you can sign up for free. Once you successfully sign up and log into your account, you will be brought to a page that will look similar to this. Now right here on this page, I can actually go on to clicking on this Reddit stories option. As you can see, you could convert a Reddit post to video with this option right here. This is actually for the auto caption. This is actually would you rather video, and you can see other kinds of stuff you can utilize right now. So I'm just going to click on this Reddit story right here. You can actually see the comments, which if you want to include comments, you can include comments, but I'm going to turn that off. You can see the max characters that you want to utilize. You can increase that or reduce that based on your preference. Now I can just simply go into reducing this right here or increasing that. You can see, and once you do increase that, you can see that the number of seconds is actually changing, so you just want to play around that. So you can see this one right here. I put the max characters of 750. Now you can actually select the language of your choice. Right here you want to paste in the link to that Reddit post. So if I paste in the link right now, and I'm just going to click on apply magic, now you can actually see that my Reddit story will actually be created in a matter of some minutes right there. So guys, take a look at this guys. The Reddit story has actually been created, and I can just simply go into editing that via this section. As you can see, this is the subtitle section, which I can easily click on this edit icon to edit. You can actually go into checking out the settings to actually make some settings about this. You can check out the styles, how you want the style to actually be in terms of your font type, the font size, the font color, and other details about your font right there can actually be fixed. You can also come onto this section and check out the Reddit, and this is where you're actually going to go into editing the post right here. As you can see, this is how the post right here, this is the title of the post, this is the post. You can just simply edit that to your preference. Now if you do edit that, you can see the duration of this is about 2 minutes long right here. You can edit that, reduce some content to make it shorter. Once you're done, you can just simply go into the tools section, and you can see that where you can easily add emojis and generate emojis also. You can also go into the advanced section to check out much more details. you can see the resize option and also the logo option right now. So once this has actually been edited to your preference, you can just simply click on download and the video will be downloaded on your device. But take a look at how this actually looks like in this particular section.
I made hundreds of dollars from someone else's content. I was friends with this guy in college. We'd never met in person, just met online through a mutual.
So you can actually do see a little glimpse of how the video actually looks like. Basically, that's what you just want to create with this platform right now. Once this has been created, you download this on your device, then you want to just simply go into promoting this on TikTok right here on your TikTok space. Now you need to also take note the kind of country that visit TikTok in order for you to know the kind of offers to promote. Now if you actually go on to analyzing TikTok with a similar web statistics, you can see that TikTok right here actually got about 6.67 billion visits in the last 3 months right now. Now if you keep on scrolling down to the bottom section, you can see the country that visit the website the most: United States, Brazil, Mexico, Indonesia and Vietnam. So all you need to do is to head onto a CPA marketing platform where you could get offers from these countries and create a landing page for that. How do you do that? You can head onto platforms like Max Bounty, maybe CPA Grip, log into an account right now. So as you can see guys, I'm logged into my account and you want to come onto this page where you can get offers to promote. And you can just simply get to this particular section that says offer tools, click on that, select my offers and be brought to a page similar to this. And you want to filter your offers to get offers from certain demographics that are actually having traffic from the Pinterest website right now. So you can see the United States. I can just simply head back to this section, filter my offers to go on to getting offers from the United States demographic. Now once the page loads up, I'll be able to see some cool offers available to that demographic, of which I can just simply go on to selecting one of the offer. I'll be able to see more details, copy the link to the offer and go on to promoting that. But before promoting that, you can create a simple landing page. Now you want to create landing pages for platforms like Systemy.io, or you want to utilize platforms like Linktree. But make sure you're creating a landing page that is promoting multiple CPA marketing offers. Now if I'm utilizing Linktree right now, you can see that with Linktree right here, I'm promoting offers to various countries right now. You can see the first offer right here in this particular preview section. This one right here is for people in UK. This is for people in USA. This is for the United Kingdom also. This is for Australia. So you just need to go on to adding much more links right here to people or to offers. Add multiple CPA marketing offers to various countries right there. Make sure you're actually having an offer for each countries that you do take note that visit Pinterest, TikTok the most right now. So you can see the countries that visit them the most. You can go on to see more countries and you can know the country that gets most traffic to TikTok, and you can then just simply add that to your Linktree link right here, of which you can then click on share and go on to copying the Linktree link right now. So if you click on share, you can see your Linktree link which you could copy and go on to promoting that with that particular Reddit video you created on TikTok. So all you need to do is to post that video on TikTok, and make sure you're always posting videos on TikTok with the strategy. Then you just need to go on to inserting that link in the bio of your account, and maybe once in a while you direct people utilizing your video to the bio of your account to go on to grabbing a free giveaway right now. So with that strategy, you can make a lot of money online. Now I do hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, leave that in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit the like button to the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel OJ Marketing, and don't forget to turn on your notification bells on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.